Howdy everybody, good morning. So today is May the 14th.
It's Thursday.
Yep, it's May 14th. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going out on eBay today. She just got them wrote down. And we got a couple packages I want to show y'all. We got one from John Cincinnati Picker, one of his jewelry lots. And we'll show y'all that. And then we got one that I ordered from Johnny over at Cajun Roots Reseller. So we're gonna run through them, and then we also got the stuff I bought yesterday at the video game stuff. So I'll show y'all briefly that, and we'll show you these orders, and then I don't know what else. We'll see. It's early.
Take a nap.
It's 7:20 right now, and we done been over here for about what 15-20 minutes.
Something like that.
Getting me some wings this morning. This video's brought to you by Red Bull. It gives you wings. Not really. That'd be cool if it was. Are we filming? My phone's jammed in. Y'all see that?
It's a little slow.
Alright, let's jump right into it. Stick with us. We're gonna have fun today, get some stuff done. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys and gals, so here's that stuff I picked up yesterday. It all needs cleaning and whatnot. So I'll show you this stuff real fast like. I don't know what all's in here. We got all kinds of PS2 games, some Wii games. Get off there. So, Mario Party 8, that's a good one. And then there's just some loose ones here. I have no idea what all's in here. This is a big stack of games. Haven't been through it yet. It's all PS2 it says. So we'll look through them. More PS2. And then down here we got some of these games. What is this? Land Before Time, heck yeah. Just a bunch of games here. That's all this is. Let's see what's in this bag. Let's see what we got here.
Some scratched ones.
PS4 Minecraft, that's a good one. It's just dirty, it ain't scratched. God of War, Die Hard Trilogy for regular PlayStation. Madden 07, Bakugan, Power Drone, Madden, Ninja Turtle Smash Up, SmackDown Raw, Dragon Ball Z, Budokan 3.
That's scratched real bad.
A lot of these probably are.
It's crashed.
My idea was this. I'm gonna tell you what my idea was, because a lot of these right here scratched. Like that one's a pretty good one, I think. But my idea is if I buy this and I got it cheap enough, all these games I can resurface, okay, and sell them, and it'll pay for the lot, plus I can get me a JFJ Easy Pro, and I'll probably after that break even, but then I'd have me a JFJ Easy Pro, and it didn't cost me hardly nothing. So that was my thought process behind this. So we got some pretty good titles here, and
there's also some Wii games with the Wii.
yeah, so we got, this is a Transformers Dino Sparkles. The box is real rough on it, but it's from, what year is this thing? Heck, what year is it? 2014. Got this Emerson, the forehead, EWV 401B. Got that. This is just a big mess, basically what this is, just a big old mess. That's controllers. And then we got some of these gaming pads here, SG Pro pads. I think that's for what's that for? I don't know. Looks like maybe a GameCube hookup. Got this thing. That looks like Super Nintendo there. Just a bunch of controllers, RF switches, that kind of deal. All the hookups of Sega Genesis. Here's some kind of Sega Genesis game. A Eternal Champions.
I don't want to have to untangle all that.
We back there at the Christmas lights, ain't we? This game is Solstice for NES. Tetris for NES. That's about a $10 game. Right? Super Nintendo needs to be cleaned. I don't know if it works. Got this Wii, Donkey Kong Country Returns, a controller, power brick,
Nunchuck.
all that kind of stuff. Is that actually great? Got this 16-bit. Buddy, I just broke it, didn't I? Did I break it? Heck yeah. Piece of junk. This is gonna be sold for parts. Got this Xbox 360.
Has it got the hard drive in it?
This is the slim model. I think these have the built-in hard drive. I think. That is the slim model, you know.
We can test it.
We gotta clean it up. And then we got this regular Xbox. See how
The
dirty?
old school Xbox.
See how dirty this stuff is?
That's got a missing door.
Yeah. But we'll sell that for parts. What we'll probably do is, if them don't work, we'll sell them together. May sell them all together. I don't know. But that was my idea behind this. Get this stuff. Sell this stuff. Sell this stuff. Get me an easy JFJ. That stuff, games will pay for that. And then we'll have some profit maybe out of that. So, that was the only reason I did that deal. So.
And it was fairly cheap too when you think about it.
Yeah. What did we pay for it? So we got all this for 60 bucks. Don't know if that was a good deal or not, but I think it was. Like I say, I think I can get a JFJ, clean these stuff up, sell that, pay for my JFJ, and then break even on the whole deal after I get my JFJ. Maybe make a little, I doubt it, probably break even, but then I'll have a disc cleaner for the future. Speaking of which, there is no JFJs for sale right now anywhere. I looked yesterday, not a one. So whenever they get their crap straightened out, we'll buy one. So we'll just leave it. I'll go through them games, because not all of them scratched, just some of them. And we didn't do anything with these clowns yesterday, not nothing. We worked on these right here. I got these listed. All these socks. So got that done. We had some other stuff to do, but let's jump over here now, and we'll go through this stuff since it's already open. We'll pull some orders, and then we're gonna come back and open up Mr. Johnny's package, and I'll show y'all that. So this stuff we got from John over at Cincinnati Picker. So we got some stickers and his card. So I'm gonna put that card over there with my others. But we got this whole big old bag of jewelry, and it's pretty good stuff. See all this? I mean, these are pins, bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and we haven't went through it yet. I mean, it's just full of stuff, just all kinds of stuff. Paid 60 bucks for this, free shipping, and we're gonna make all kinds of good money on this. What does this say? I hate you more. That's cute. So I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff in here. I don't know what all's in here. The ring with that. So pretty happy about that stuff.
How much does it weigh?
I don't know. Let's wait. It's supposed to be 5 pounds. £6 8 ounces. So see, he give us 1.5 pounds extra. So we're pretty happy about this stuff and excited. We still got all this we got from Cat, the nurse flipper. Excited about that stuff too. So we got to list all this now. So that'll be fun. But let's jump in. Let's get some orders pulled. I'm gonna put this card over here. Put this card.
I'm doing extra froggy.
And see, here's Revs.
Put Rev right here.
I need to open Revs up like this because
We'll tape it to the wall.
I'm gonna tape Revs up here in this one. See that? Like I got Roy's. Tape Revs right here. And then we're gonna put CP right there. So let's get Revs going up here. If y'all ain't checked out Rev Resale, you need to. He's gonna be the next YouTube star. That guy's awesome. He's a preacher over in Georgia. I know y'all have heard me talk about him a bunch. And great guy. Really great. Him and Nikki T. I'm gonna try to get him on one of our lives here before too long. There we go. So now Rev's got a permanent spot. Okay, so let's get over here and get these orders pulled. So, yesterday evening, we went by Taco Bell. First time we've eaten out in how long? 2 months?
Something like that.
And I was terrified, so when they handed us the bag, we sprayed the bag with the Lysol. And then they said if you put your to-go containers in the microwave, it'll kill the virus. So we did that. And, you know, I'm a big old boy and I like my Taco Bell, so I've been wanting some of it. And it wasn't worth it. If I get corona from that, I'm going to be highly upset. It was not a great last eating out meal. We should have went with KFC. Anyhow, let's get these orders pulled. And we got these going. We got to grab 2 Mother Goose record books.
They're the book sets.
Do they have disc in them?
I don't remember.
I don't remember neither. Let's grab them. Mother Goose. Not that one. Not up. Here we go. 2 of them. And that hurt.
They have the records in them.
Yeah, they do. These are little bitty records. I guess them are called 78s. 30. What are these? Let's see how much I know. Anyways, they little records, and we sold these 2 for $6.99 plus shipping. Now we got to go to C1. Now we're looking for a hickey my bobber down in this thingy majig.
There it is on the bottom. Right there.
Yep, there it is, way down there, very bottom. This is for a little one of them mini SNES, NES things. And this is a adapter for your controllers so you can sit further away from the console. You know, it's like wireless, but it ain't wireless because NES controllers are only like 4-foot cords, so this can make you be 10 foot away. So I sold that for $6.96 free shipping. Now we got to get a sand pad cane adapter on M2. This thing right here, this little thing right here, goes on your cane bottom. Sold that. This got $13.97 plus shipping. Now we got to go to O2 for a TMNT origami. And this guy, Origami Ninja.
He was in the middle. My bad.
Watch out, you may get ninja chopped.
And you got your ninja chop. You go a ninja chop. Well, now say, now sometimes it don't always work for a ninja, you know, but it practice makes it perfect. Don't go ninja nobody, don't need ninja.
Anyhow, this sold for $9.95 plus shipping. Now we got a LuLaRoe M5A44. But buddy, how lucky was that? Did you stage that? Sometimes it's the little things in life. So this is a LuLaRoe medium shirt. This sold for $9.95 plus, no, $10.49 plus shipping. This LuLaRoe's doing good. I'm gonna buy more of it. At first, everybody I heard was saying, don't buy LuLaRoe. LuLaRoe don't sell, but we sell it pretty good, don't we? It ain't big money.
Once a week.
$10 to $15 a piece. So I mean, I'll take that. Now we got to go to G2 and get 2 John Deere tractor mugs. They're made by Gibson. And Gibson's not a real big name to get. And these sold for $11.48 plus shipping for the 2 of them. So that's our orders going out today. We're gonna get them packed up and sent out, but before we do, let's go open up Johnny's package. Alrighty, so this came from Johnny over at Cajun Roots Reseller. He knew I bought it. We couldn't sneak it past him. He knew who I was. So I'm gonna link Johnny's channel right here. he's got a show coming up on Sunday with us at 1 p.m. Central Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So y'all make sure if y'all free, come over, hang out with us. And then Saturday at 3 p.m. on his channel, he's got Grimes Finds and the Hot Mess Thrifter Amy. So that's going to be a good show over there at 3 p.m. Central Time on Saturday. So y'all make sure to go over there and check him out. I'm going to link his channel down below. Johnny's a great guy. He's another one of them I can't say enough good things about. Try to hide his address here so y'all don't find him. But can't say enough good things about Johnny. We did our first live show over there with him about a month ago, I guess it was. So y'all make sure, Johnny, he's another one of them genuine, straightforward, great guys. He's got some videos out now on different ways of sourcing. So y'all go check him out. Here's his thank you card. Heck yeah. See that right there? So, Johnny, you're going to get a spot over there on the wall. Excellent pack job, Johnny. I think you use the same paper we do. Let's see what we got here. So that's my instruction manual and my propellers.
We got the extras.
And we got I think that's the helicopter. Heck yeah, it's a helicopter. Packed extremely well. What is this? Oh, that's the controller for the helicopter. Let's open this thing up so I can show you all this. You know, times like we've been in, it's great to go on to other people's eBay stores and, you know, show some support for your fellow resellers. So, what I want to do in this video, now check this out. Cedar Creek, and it's got, yep, look, guy duck hunting. See the little dog out there? I think it's his dog. And then he got the little mallard duck flying over the water. Ain't that awesome? I needed me a watch because I'm all the time trying to tell y'all what time it is. So that's awesome, Johnny. I appreciate that. Johnny's channel is going to be linked down below in the description. And what I want to do for this video is, if you watch this video, you've made it this far, link your eBay store or your Poshmark closet or Macari store down in the description. And it may not get held up, but I'll go through there and approve all the links. And y'all jump on there on somebody's random store, see if you can find something you like, and to show some support for everybody, because sales are pretty much slow right now, I think, for everyone, so every little bit helps. So that's what we're gonna do there. And if y'all ain't subscribed to Johnny over at Cajun Roots, I encourage y'all to go over to his YouTube channel, Cajun Roots Reseller. He's also got a cooking channel called Cajun Roots Cooking Show. Both of them's gonna be linked down below, so y'all go check them out. Let's put Johnny over here. We're gonna run Johnny right here next to CP. So, yep, let's do that. Alrighty, guys and gals, we are gonna wrap this video up now. It's 9:20 a.m. We got our packages we're gonna take and drop off. Then we gotta run to Walmart and do a pickup, and then we're gonna get this video edited and uploaded, and then maybe list some or do something, I don't know. But I do want to thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to mash that thumbs up button for me.
And if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button.
And hit the little bell so you'll know whenever I post a new video.
And also don't forget our live with Johnny Sunday. Sunday
at 1 p.m. Central Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We got a state trooper coming up next to me here, oh Lord. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that on Sunday, and then yeah, that'll be our live show then. So y'all make sure to come hang out. I'm sorry y'all shaking so bad. We back on the phone, and they don't fix the roads in this town. But we will see you guys and gals. Here comes that cop. Y'all gonna see him? Where'd he go? He gone. We're gonna see you guys and gals tomorrow.
Bye, y'all.